Here we are now sa third and final part ng ating CVT Super Simplified Series. Dito muna tayo sa clutch lining assembly. Meron din tayo itong ating clutch spring. Yung spring na yan holds the clutch pad or clutch lining assembly together and close. Tinanggal ko yung isang clutch spring so you can see how it moves as it spins along with the secondary pulley. So if this reaches a certain RPM, it opens up and lifts just like so. Kung meron kang matigas na clutch spring, mas mataas na RPM ang mararating before it lifts. Ito naman yung ating clutch bell na connected again sa gearbox, and that gearbox connects to the tires. Every time aangat yung clutch lining assembly, didikit siya doon sa ating bell, which causes the bell to move. Analogy time. I'm sure you know kung ano yung brake system, right? When it's time to stop or when you brake, iipitin ng brake pad ang ating rotor disc para huminto. Dito naman, didiinan ng clutch pad ang bell para gumulong at umikot together with the engine. Kung ang brake caliper at ang brake pad at ang brake disc is for stopping, ang clutch pad at ang bell is meant for moving the bike forward. I hope that this series has been helpful and informative for you. We just hope to make this complex system super simplified because here at AV Moto, even the smallest things matter.